big because they keep all the Dutch together. Everybody is orange. There's no religion, anything else. The orange is one relief. Well, you got always people who like to have a president, but it's a very small group. So we're very happy with our queen and with our the next king and his family. Yeah.
Yes, it's very different. Now it's King's Day instead of Queen's Day and those kind of things. It's very different, but it's also very nice.